So, hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 1st of Feb 2026. This might or might not resonate with you. Please keep that in mind. Mostly they are spiritual messages. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start the overall energy for Scorpio people for this week from Oshos and Tarot. Okay, we have the burden. So you might take too much on your plate that you will not be able to finish, first of all. Second thing, you might feel like pressurized by society or societal norms on conditioning, or you might feel like you can't do certain things in your life because what other peoples will think about you. Let's say you wanted or you always wanted to do a business, but you are having a very high paid and good job, but you can't leave it what other people will think about you. You are crazy or something, or someone like who's not able to understand how difficult it is to get a good job. Okay, so this burden, this heavy energy, you have to let go of it or let go of that kind of energy in order to be happy and in order to be at peace. No society is going to feed you, no society is going to do anything for you when you are going to be in trouble. Okay, so be your own society. Hmm. I love society tea, by the way. It's famous in Mumbai. 26, we have participation from your side. Whatever you are doing, it's a group project, group work. Whatever you are doing from your side, give your 100%. Do your give your full participation in a particular situation. And even if other people are not that aware, or not that involved, not that much interested, give your full participation. Give your 100% from your side in a group dynamic kind of a situation, and don't worry about the results. Even if nobody is watching, you are watching, you are the part of the whole process. Okay, so do your 100, give your 100% in whatever you are participating in. 27, schizophrenia, where you are going to be like again a little bit confused, not a little bit, very confused about whether you should keep going according to your previous life, the life that's going on right now, or you should change a lot of things drastically. And for that drastic changes, you have to trust the process, trust the divine, and you have to let go a lot of things, people or situations or circumstances. Are you ready for that? That is the question here. You are in the middle of a transformation where you are not able to let go of the past, but you are yearning for something updated and something new. But are you ready to let go the past properly? That's a question here. Hmm? 28th is going with the flow. Now sometimes all we can do as a human is to just go with the flow, do whatever it takes from your side, take the full charge of the situation, take proper actions in order to achieve whatever you are trying to achieve here, and then just go with the flow. Whatever is supposed to happen, whatever is supposed to be with you, or whomsoever is supposed to be with you, eventually is going to be with you. You don't have to chase or run behind or control or fix something or someone. Just go with the flow. 29th is understanding. Now Scorpio, this is a very big energy, very deep energy of understanding that only you can stop yourself from moving forward in your life. This is a human mind that always keep on telling us that this person is the one to blame here, they are the one to blame here, this one is the blame to here. I'm not talking about that phase where we were kids and we were completely relying on our parents. I'm talking about the phase when we are mature adults and our mind is creating stories and scenarios, and we are listening to our mind because we have something to blame. We are like, okay, we cannot move forward. I cannot fly like other people. I have this thing to going. I have that thing going. So this is the understanding that you need to understand, that if other people can do it, you can also do it. Irrespective of the challenges and obstacles that every one of us has to face on a different level. 30th, we have clinging to the past. Something or someone from your past is continuously in your energy, Scorpio. The more you are going to give your energy into this, the more you are going to suppress it or avoid it or ignore it, the more it's going to come towards you, the more it's going to haunt you. So it's better to sit with it, think about it properly and honestly, why this is coming back in your life again and again and again, what is the reason and what you should do about it, and then start releasing it slowly but surely is going to help you. Okay, instead of avoiding or ignoring, face it and do something about it, whatever you can do from your side, and then let it let the universe do its job. 31st, we have nothingness, you can say. Okay, universe is going to provide you some kind of clean slate. It might look like some kind of breakup or separation or sudden unexpected turn of events, but it is actually the universe providing you the clean slate to start something or restart something from the scratch. It might make you feel uncomfortable, it might make you feel like, oh my god, everything is falling apart, but it's actually a blessing in disguise for you guys if you're going to take it in a positive way. But we have a human conditioning, we tend to take everything in a negative way before we are going to take it in a positive way. So try not to do that. Breakthrough for 1st of Feb. You guys are going to have a breakthrough. You guys are going to find a solution out of nowhere. You will be able to figure out some kind of solution to a problem that you are suffering from, some kind of guidance, some kind of aha moment, or some, for some of you are going to suddenly unexpectedly get the good news that you were seeking for, that you were hoping for and wanting from long time now. So this is going to be a breakthrough day for you guys. 1st of Feb. The okay, cool. So Feb is starting with fireworks for you guys. Let's see the guidance here, honey. Existence. Okay, be truthful and honest with yourself, Scorpio. You might not be able to accept yourself for who you are. You might be not able to like accept your dark side or negative side. Of course, when you are going to accept your dark side, that, let's say for example, that if somebody is going to continuously talk to me about childhood, some kind of childhood trauma is going to trigger my anger. It's a dark side of mine, just an example, but sometimes it happens. Now but I now when I accepted that these things triggers me, now I'm not getting triggered anymore. Now I'm aware. Similarly, if you are going to be honest with yourself, if you are going to be truthful with yourself, if you are going to be in bare naked energy with the existence is going to help you to figure out a lot of things, okay, in a very beautiful and positive way. All you have to do is to be honest and truthful with yourself and with the existence, and everything else existence will take care of. Okay, cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.